Are you a leader, a pastor, a program director, a person who is responsible for other people, whether spiritually or naturally? I'm talking to you. God has a mandate for change. He is preparing His body. We are to rebuild the body of Christ from the sins of the past. Many adults today are broken and battered by this world. They want peace and they are searching. They are looking to return to the Lord, but they have no direction. The past is a memory they try to escape due to the abuse that they have suffered under leadership. Those with whom they put their childhood trust in. Can you be that beacon of hope and join us as we rebuild their hope in God and help them towards deliverance? Deliverance from all physical hangups such as drug addictions, alcohol addictions, sexual confusion, sexual perversions, and many more hangups. These things are only the results of the abuse. Many leaders have passed away and were never held accountable for the abuse, never held accountable for the misuse of the people of God. But God leaves us as a body responsible to repair what they have broken. As you move to the next step, you will see that Josiah did not mind obeying God, even though he himself was not the one who caused anger and wrath to be kindled upon them, the Israelites, by our God. It was his father and the kings who built idols and things contrary to serving God from the past. We as a body of Christ have also played our part in allowing us to handle the souls incorrectly. Let's move forward and fix and repair the breach.